Navier-Stokes equations. Okay. This method is actually, this method is an explicit method. Okay. So in our cases, we said that n is a, let n is a known n represents known variables and n plus 1 unknown. In SMAC, following equations are solved. Okay. So what are those equations? So as you already said, u and u known, u and unknown divided by delta t plus u del u del x n plus v del u del y n. Here it should be n plus 1. Okay. Remember this. This cannot be nth level because pressure is unknown in incompressible flows. So this is n plus 1. Second equation for a 2D flow, similarly you can write like this. So this equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3 are solved in SMAC. Now this equation number 1, 2, 3 are solved in a following manner. In 2 steps. In SMAC. Okay. Number A step is called as prediction. Predict, predict, prediction. And number B called as correction. Correction step. Okay. So first step is a predictions. So we'll go for prediction step. So first step, step 1, prediction step. Prediction. Prediction of what? Prediction of velocities. Okay. Prediction of velocities. So velocities, what are the unknown velocities? Those are there, we will predict. So I'll just write an equation again. So here you have to repeat many times, but please write these equations. Okay. Don't just look at the blackboard. So what I'm saying, n plus level values, I'm just writing u star. Okay. What are the n plus level values? The star values. Now I'm writing at in this step 1, n plus 1 values as star values. Okay. This you remember. Minus un and the delta t. And rest of the terms, u, del u, del x, these are at nth level. Known, all these values should be known. Similarly, u, del y, these values should be known. And this pressure gradient is also assumed to be known. Okay, this is the prediction step in which we assume some pressure. Okay, we assume some pressure. With this pressure, we calculate this value, u star. Okay. Plus nu, the same things. Okay. So you can say that these are the 1 prime equations. 1 prime. Similarly, you can have another equation v star minus Vn divided by delta t plus, please write this. It may appear repetition, but please write. this equation 2 prime. Okay. So where U star and V star are the predicted values. Predicted values. Okay. We did not know the pressure gradient, but we assume that pressure values are known and all other velocities are known. With that, we find U star and V star. U star, V star are the predicted values of velocities. Predicted values of velocities. So first find out predicted values of velocities. Okay. So how do you obtain? We can obtain these values along with we can obtain by solving we can obtain U star and V star along with BC along with boundary condition along with boundary conditions. So here there will be some equations for boundary conditions explicitly. Explicitly. Okay. But the thing is that these are not the solution. This is not the final values. Okay. These are just predicted. These are not correct solution. Okay. But U star and V star is not the correct solution. Why? Because we haven't taken correct pressure value, not the correct solution. Because these values are obtained by assuming pressure gradient, or in other words, these are not correct solution because they will not because they will not satisfy the continuity. They will not satisfy the continuity equation. The continuity equation. To satisfy the continuity equation, what do we need? We need the correct pressure field. Okay. We need a pressure field. Okay. We need a pressure field. In bracket, I'll write, we need a pressure field. We need a pressure field or pressure values which will satisfy continuity equation, which will satisfy the continuity, which will satisfy the continuity equation. Okay. So we wanted to satisfy that, okay, such a way that we get a correct value of pressure field. So we'll use these values in order to get the pressure field which will satisfy the continuity. So that is the second step. So that is the second step. Second step is step 2. correction step. So in this step, in this step, we enforce continuity. Enforce continuity to obtain so that so that the correct values of the correct solution is obtained. Correct solution. Solution means U value, V value, pressure value, UVP is obtained. Okay. So how do we do that? How do you get the correction equation? Okay. So to get the correction equation, so we need to get correction equation. How do we get this? So we do subtract subtract equation 1 minus 1 prime, okay, and equation 2 minus 2 prime. Subtract equation 1 minus equation 1 prime, equation 2 minus equation 2 prime. So if you do that, what are you going to get is that, you see, if you do that subtraction, this term will get cancelled, these terms will get cancelled, these terms, I'll just make it by some color. So this term is going to get cancelled, this term is going to get cancelled, this whole term going to get cancelled, this whole term going to get cancelled. Here V, in second case, these things also will get cancelled. Pressure won't get cancelled out. Pressure won't get cancelled because this is n plus 1 and this is nth level. This viscous terms, these terms will get cancelled out. These terms will get cancelled out. Okay. So finally, I'm going to write a equation here. So from the first equation, you are going to get u n plus 1 minus u star. Okay. We are intelligently putting star. Any n plus value we are putting a star. Star is a unknown value, but it is not also correct value. This is not a correct solution. Although it is a u n plus 1, this is a correct solution. This is an unknown but not a correct solution. This we already obtained from the step 1. Okay, now this is obtained from the step 1. So this is like a known but not correct. We would like to correct this. Okay, hope you understand. So this will come like this, and then second term will get negative of negative. Okay, so this you can write like negative 1 by rho in the bracket. This del term p, so I'll just put it like p n plus 1 minus p n, and it is a del x. Okay, so in simple, what we can uh, uh, let me take this delta t here. So I will write like this: u n plus 1 minus u star delta t divided by rho this term. Now what I am saying is that this u, I am just representing this u prime is equals to minus delta t by rho del p prime del x. Okay. So correction value, u prime is a correction value. U prime is a correction value. U prime is a correction value. Okay. Where u prime is a correction. And it is equals to u n plus 1 minus u star. Similarly, v prime, okay. Similarly, v prime will get the v prime. So from the equation 2 minus 2 prime, from equation 2 minus 2 prime, we are going to get v n plus 1 minus v star divided by delta t is equals to minus 1 by rho del p del x n plus 1 del p del y del p del y n. So again here you can say minus v star equals to delta t by rho and del p n plus 1 minus p n del y. And you can say that v prime is equals to minus delta t by rho del p prime del y. Okay. So v prime, where v prime is a correction, again you write where v prime is a correction and which is equals to v n plus 1 minus v star. Okay. So these equations we can write these equations we can write in the following manner. Okay. So I'm writing equation above equation in this manner. So I can write like this: u n plus 1 is equals to u star, okay, minus delta t by rho del p prime del x, equation number A, and v equation n plus 1 is equals to v star minus delta t by rho del p prime del y, equation number B. Okay. Now substitute these equations u n plus 1 v n plus 1, substitute. These are the solutions. Okay, these are the u n plus 1 are the unknown values we are obtaining now with the predicted values and p prime values, corrected p prime values, we are obtaining this solution. So substitute a and b, small a and small b, in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is our continuity equation. Equation number 3 is our continuity equation. So if you substitute this in the continuity equation, so continuity equation is nothing but del u n plus 1 divided by del x plus del v n plus 1 for 2D case, del y is equals to 0. So you substitute n plus 1, n plus 1, so you will get this thing. Del u star del x minus so it is a del x. So delta t by rho del square p prime del x square, okay, plus del v star divided by del y minus delta t by rho del square p prime del y square is equals to 0. Now we are forcing to get the correct values using continuity equation. So in order to get these correct values, we need this p prime, correct p prime. That is what. So we'll write these equations in a nice manner, which we can say we represent take the velocities one side and pressure other side. So this will be equals to delta t by rho, and we have a pressure Poisson equation. This is called as pressure Poisson equation for pressure correction. This is correction. This is not pressure. P prime is a pressure correction. Similarly, U prime was a correction velocity. Similarly, P prime is a correction pressure. So this is the equation. Okay, so this is the equation. We just swap this thing. So we can write like this: d del x square plus del square p prime del y square is equals to rho delta t, and then we have this nice terms del u star del x plus del v star del y. This is a star, not k. This is a star. So you see, p prime, these are known now. U star is already calculated from the predicted. These are predicted values. U star v star are U star v star predicted, means they are known now from the previous step, predicted. From this, you have to find out p prime. Okay, so this is known. This is right hand side is known. RHS is known. Okay. So this is called as Poisson equation. Poisson equation for pressure correction. For pressure correction. Okay. Simply pressure Poisson equation is like that. What is the Poisson equation generally? Del square p and some function. If it is 0, f is 0, this is Laplace equation then. Poisson equation means it's not equals to 0, some function. So you see some function is there. So this equation is a Poisson equation. Otherwise, it is a Laplace equation if it is 0. Okay, but this is not Laplace. This is Poisson equation. So we can solve this Poisson equation, RHS is known. So Poisson equation pressure correction can be solved with appropriate BCs, with appropriate, just a minute, appropriate BC. Just give me 1 second. Now we are finished. Okay. So once you solve this, you can calculate Pn plus 1. Okay. This is a new pressure field with the assumed pressure field. This was Pn was the assumed pressure field when you wanted to do in a step 1. And after solving this pressure correction equation, you will get one pressure correction. So you can get new pressure field. Okay. And similarly, you will get new values of the velocities that you will be obtaining from u star minus delta t by rho del p prime. P prime is known now from this equation. So del p prime, del x you solve, you will get this value. V value you can obtain. V values you can obtain. Similarly, like from V star values, delta t and rho and del p prime, del y. Okay. So Pn plus 1 can be calculated by assumed value of Pn and calculated value from this Poisson equation. Un plus 1 can be calculated from the predicted values and the pressure correction. Vn plus 1 value and all these n plus 1 value you have to keep on calculate till you get the final solution of PUV. Okay. So that is what the procedure is. You got it? What the SMAC does? SMAC is a two-step process. First step is to find out the predicted values U star and V star with assuming Pn. Assuming Pn, you have to find out U star and V star. Once you have found out P U star and V star, you have to find out P prime using U star and V star value. Once you find out P prime, you find out Pn plus 1, which is nothing but Pn and P prime, summation of Pn and P prime. And you have to then find out Un plus 1, Vn plus 1 using U star and P prime values and V star and P prime values. Okay, so that is what. This equation is a major role playing equation. Since we did not know, since there was a assumed value of Pn, it need to be corrected. And this correct value of P prime is coming from the enforcement of the continuity. We substituted these equations, equation A and B, in equation 3 continuity. After putting them into continuity equation, we obtain this Poisson equation. So whatever values of P prime we are going to get with this assumed values of U star and predicted values of U star and V star, that P prime is supposed to be satisfying the continuity. So it can be assumed as a some sort of nice values of pressure. And with these nice values of pressure, we keep on correcting those corrected values of P prime. We are trying to get the final pressure field, final velocity field we are trying to get. Okay. Okay, so I'll stop the class here. I think we already time's up. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I sir made you sir on Sunday, sir. Can you please check it?
Regarding that assignment, right, Kapil, see, the assignments are supposed to be done by the students. You can just get help from your other faculties in order to just to, but many times it is found that students are not reading the paper. If you read the paper, you will get some initial what is the content. And